Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on OPPO Reno 15. So first of all, if we want to go to the recovery mode, we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, just like that. And then we're gonna slide up in order to restart. And once you restart your phone, afterwards you want to press and hold volume down. So just keep holding volume down now, and you want to keep holding this button until you actually open the recovery mode. So it's gonna take a couple of seconds. You have to patiently wait. We have the OPPO logo. And there we go. Now we have the recovery mode. In here we can tap on English in here to proceed, and then we have the recovery mode. We can find the format option, reboot device, and power off. So if we want to exit the recovery mode, we can just simply use the reboot device option. So we can just tap on it, for example, and confirm that you want to do that. And that is pretty much it. Now we're gonna go back to the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.